So I wanted to talk to you about the push buttons that we have as well. I like to refer to these as more of a on-demand, call for hot water. Now, I like to keep mine by my kitchen sink. I also have one next to my nightstand. That way when I wake up in the morning, I want to make sure that I have hot water at my shower first thing, right? I don't want to go there, turn it on, have to wait for the water to heat up a little bit. So I just push a button as soon as I wake up. I go and throw my contacts in, go get in the shower, and I already got the hot water. So what this button does is it sends a Bluetooth signal over to your appliance here. It tells the unit to kick on, start running that pump for that recirculation loop that we have where the crossover valve is at. Or if you have a dedicated line, it's going to start running that pump for your dedicated line. It gets the water heated up when you want to use it. Now the great part about these is this does not put a log into your system, and so it kind of overrides a little bit the smart circ technology that we have, and it doesn't log that in there. So these really more are an on-demand. If you're breaking habits and you're doing dishes in the middle of the day versus doing them at night like you usually do, this will get you what you need immediately without having to log it and change your entire habits going forward. Pretty cool little button. Bluetooth, you can link 5 of them up in your home, so plenty of space to put throughout your home. You got pretty good coverage there.